Hi, I'm Alexander from René of Paris. Today I have got some amazing wigs with me and I'm looking forward to talking to you about these different styles. So I'd like to talk to you about these styles because although they are similar, we have different fibres here. And a lot of people when they're choosing wigs, they're looking for different things, the cap constructions, the colours, the lengths, the styles, but one of the key ingredients and one of the best ways to determine your wig is finding out if the fibre is right for you. So I'm going to talk to you about the fibres. So first we have Braylen. Okay, so Braylen is here. She's in the Amore Collection. Now this colour is ginger brown, if you wanted to have a little look about this one. Now the nice thing with Braylen is, as a wig, you know, we've got the traditional Amore double monofilament, open wefted, lace front at the front. But onto the fibre itself, this is our traditional, regular synthetic fibre. It's a lovely kind of curl pattern on there. Now this fibre itself works really nice with our hot tool. So should you want to make this more curly or straight, you can. And this is Braylen in our regular synthetic fibre. So this is ideal for somebody that wants the wig out of the box, ready to rock and roll, looking amazing, but also somebody that doesn't necessarily want to commit to heat styling all the time, necessarily commit to changing the style up a little bit. It's ready to go. This is what you get. And if you did want to change it a little bit, the hot tool will be the one for you. So moving on. So this one is Breezy Wavez. Now Breezy Wavez is a heat-friendly style. So the nice thing with the heat-friendly style, just looking at the cap, we've got a basic cap, machine made, open wefted. But the nice thing with the heat-friendly style is, one, it can obviously take heat up to a certain direction. So you could, again, straighten it or curl it. You don't necessarily have to use the hot tool for that. You could use a traditional actual hairdressing iron, providing you've got a heat dial on it, or you could use ours, but you know, you can use more things. It feels very responsive, as heat-friendly fibres do, looks great, and slightly different cap construction from the Amore, so it would be more affordable as well. But there we go, we have a regular synthetic and a heat-friendly. Now, moving on to my next one. Now this is Briar. Now Briar is in the Noriko Collection. Look at that. So we have a softer wave right here, a softer curl. Looks a little bit more gentle. Flatter on the front. Just have a quick look at the cap construction. So this is the new cap construction, which is for Noriko, which is Velusoft, which is lovely. So we have the kind of lace front, partial mono-y kind of feel here. Nice wide lace front and the softer lace on there as well. So there's a little look at the cap. It's kind of a hybrid between this one and this one. Moving on to a human hair wig. Yes, this is Payton, and Payton is in the Orchid Collection, which I just love. So let's just have a little look at the cap first. Look at that flex, ladies and gentlemen, amazing. So we've got a nice closed weft, soft cap here, loads of stretch, mono top, lace front. Now, it's important that you see this fibre, bio-human hair, as it is. Now, I don't know about you at home or people talking about bio hair, but when I wake up in the morning, my hair doesn't look styled. Bio hair doesn't, right, other than these ones. So this is how it's come out the box. So pretty much like you're getting ready to style your hair. So the choice is yours. Are you going to go straight? Are you going to go curly? Are you going to go wavy? Are you going to put rollers in and go big and bouncy? That is up to you. But should I want to make Payton in the same colour as these and these, I could use a conical wand, which is like a hot tool wand. I could use a traditional tongue. I could use rollers, or I could even use our hot tool, which would give us a nice soft wave. So a variety of things can be used on human hair to create the given texture and style that you want. So, ladies and gentlemen, here you have it. 4 very similar styles, very similar lengths. with different cap constructions. Now, out there, which is the fibre that you choose? Which is the fibre you wear? Please give us some feedback, it would be great for us. And is there a fibre here that you are longing to try? Let us know, and we'll maybe do a video about that in the future. So I'm Alexander, this is René of Paris. Thanks for tuning in, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.